Guys, this is the true IRL content. Oh, local. I can't do this. Local skeleton looking to touch your melons 2 miles away. No credit card, no bullshit. Call now. Oh. Okay, that was close. Okay, see it? You see it now?
Yeah.
Hello? Did I just hear something? What is Count Chocula? Since everybody did is also triggered, okay? Guys, I will talk about this once, because I've talked about it before, but it seems that people don't understand, okay? Twitch, okay, is all I have, and it's all that most streamers have, right? It's kind of like an all-in, right? It's kind of like, I didn't go to fucking school, dude. I didn't do shit. Overwatch is fucking dead. I am going pro in any other fucking game. I'm fucking 0 IQ, yo. I ain't got a fucking degree, bitch. Okay? If I lose Twitch, I'm fucking, dude, I'm like dead Andy. I'm dead Andy. Okay? I will not jeopardize all of it to watch a fucking lady that doesn't want to look like she has a bitch face when she's a fucking bitch. If you're a bitch, take the fucking bitch face and stop Botoxing it. What the fuck, dude?
For quite a while.
Lacey, Justin,
hi.
welcome.
What the fuck are those? I can't, dude.
How are you? Within the next couple weeks. Again, not pregnant, not dropping out of school, not moving to Texas. Bean isn't getting released right now. Sober, yes. Joined an org, no. Failed my midterm, I'm not sure, I don't think so. G Fuel sponsorship, no. Married and pregnant, no. Shaving head, no. You're gonna do a 24-hour stream? Absolutely not. I don't think I'm capable of that. You guys, I got bounties. I got bounties. I don't know why. I didn't even apply, and Miz didn't even tell me to apply because we both just assumed I wouldn't get them. So I don't know. I don't know. But I applied. When I met Nim, I was super like giddy. I was like,
oh my god, we have the best times with each other. She's so amazing. She's so sweet. She's so nice and caring. I just miss her so much. Oh.
They didn't quite understand how to.
ew. There's a scale that you use, and it kind of goes like, they have this thing called a keel on their chest, and if it's really narrow and pointy, it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And if you can feel like breasts essentially, then they're overweight. She is fat. She also just shot on me.
Yeah, every time I've ever tried to come out here to farm, there's always horde by the mile.
Yeah, this is littered with horde.
Yeah. Yep. This is why we kill them all. Doesn't matter what level they are, they all must die.
Well, it's like, well, that's what I was saying about like if they're a threat, right? Because they're a threat because they're taking the tags. Yeah. SVN, what's up? Can you share your talents, please? Of course.
Yeah.
These are wrong though. This is my reckoning. 25 points. These 3 points should be in here.
Check the top of the hills.
I ran. You're trying really hard to convince us that it isn't poop. It's not poop.
Oh, that's quarter.
Turn around.
Yep.
Kill the healers in the back. Sappers. Anybody have sappers? Sappers.
Bubble fill.
Wow, extreme snipers.
Kill healers. Kill healers. Or mages. Kill mages.
I kill him?
See, this is why we need to be more aware.
Get on this guy on the top, this hunter. Capu. Capu on the top. You can kill Capu, he's low health. I didn't have bubble.
Temp?
Yeah, you can get on temp, finish temp.
Dead. Wow.
B-res Dr. Phil if you can. I'll be too late. Ah! You see this? Seal a command. Boom. Boom. Seal a command. Boom. Seal a command. Run out. Run out. Run out. Run out. Run out. Taste the flames of Sulfuron. Run back in. Run back in. Hurrah! 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 By fire be purged. Dude, my logs, my logs. Where's the PI? First PI. Second PI. Third PI. I need power infusion. Sixth PI. Innervate, 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 innervate. Number 1 retribution paladin in the world, ladies and gentlemen. I am among you. I am among you. I regret not giving you my Twitch Prime. I'm always watching you, but as my relationships, my choices suck. Loving you always. Thanks, Fabrizio, man. Dude, you know what, Fabrizio? Here, check it out.
Asfan's the #1.
We know that there are many League players in the Middle East and North Africa who love League and have been playing.
Wait, that was like a fighting game! Wait, this is like a... Oh shit! Oh shit! What? Oh, and a League
So for the
FPS?
last 10 years, we haven't just been making League of Legends.
We always knew we wanted to make new games eventually, but not at the expense of, you know, the growth and the needs of League of Legends.
A lot of us spent our youth playing shooters, like really hard shooters.
Strategy games.
It had a Street Fighter 2 machine.
I love games that bring me somewhere new.
One of my all-time favorite games, for example, is Civilization.
As teams take down elemental drakes, one element will eventually dominate the rift, permanently altering the map. Each elemental rift impacts teamfights, rotations, vision, and objective control in a unique way, meaning no one game will play out the same as the last, even if everyone's on the same champ. Infernal knocks down walls and burns down
is that a good idea, though?
Mountain adds new terrain to play around. Ocean makes brush grow larger and spawn extra honey
dear
fruit.
God.
And Cloud turns pathways into wind tunnels that increase movement speed.
Oh, dear God.
Elemental buffs are...
I mean, here's a plan that I've been saving for myself. Accidentally expose yourself for view botting so that you can get on live stream fail and people will watch your stream. How'd that sound? So, make, like, for instance,
Secret lab chairs are really good. If your wife's pregnant and you don't know if you're gonna make it to the hospital, kids, they're really great chairs for giving birth. They got some really well-positioned armrests so she can rest her legs there and
fruit salad, yummy, yummy.
And deliver her baby.
Salad, yummy,
like, look
yummy.
at that. It's great.
Fruit salad.
It's really great.
Yummy, 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 yummy fruit salad.
Am I good? I'm good. Hey, Chronic, we're not gonna get the internet cut off.
Looks like Alinity got what Randy Moss got. Straight cash homie Nati hype.
I think I need to dance a little more. Oh! Maya, come here. I can't believe this. Recently, Oh my god. Oh! Sorry, guys. Oh. I did. I started early today. I did. A little bit early. Because I wanted to play WoW. Because I didn't really play WoW yesterday. Sorry about that. Kind of gross. Wait, is it I've? Like I've? No, I think I fucked it up. Okay, hold on. I can't remember if the I've seen things had a V-E, like I've, or like I've without the E. Like,